Application of Muslim law. Meaning. Muslim law applies to persons who follow the Islamic religion. It governs matters like marriage, divorce, maintenance, inheritance, and guardianship. To whom does Muslim law apply? Muslims by religion. Muslim law applies to all persons who follow Islam. By birth or conversion. Muslim law applies to Muslims by birth. Muslim law applies to persons who convert to Islam. Children. Muslim law applies to children born to Muslim parents. Muslim law applies to children brought up as Muslims. Converts and reconverts. A person who converts to Islam or reconverts to Islam is governed by Muslim law. Unlike Hindu law, Muslim law does not have a separate codified statute on conversion. Where Muslim law applies. Muslim law applies throughout India. It applies to Muslims even if they live outside India. When personal laws do not apply. Hindu law does not apply to Muslims. Muslim law does not apply to Hindus. Main schools of Muslim law. Schools of Muslim law are based on different interpretations of Islamic law given by Muslim jurists. Since the Quran and other sources were interpreted in different ways, that is why various schools have been developed. These schools guide Muslims in matters like marriage, divorce, inheritance, and other personal laws. Muslim law is mainly divided into two schools. Sunni school and Shia school. These schools are also further divided into sub-schools. Sunni law is one of the main schools of Muslim law. Sunni law is the most widely followed school of Muslim law. It is followed by the majority of Muslims, especially in India. Sunni law is based on the Quran, Hadith, Ijma, and Qiyas and governs personal matters like marriage, divorce and inheritance. Subschools of Sunni law. Sunni law is further divided into four main subschools, based on the teachings of different Muslim jurists. These schools are Hanafi, Shafi, Maliki, Hanbali. Shia law is one of the main schools of Muslim law followed by Shia Muslims. Shia law is mainly based on the Quran, Hadith, Ijma, and reason, Aql. It also governs personal matters like marriage, divorce, inheritance, and maintenance of Shia Muslims. Shia law is further divided into two schools, Ithna Ash'ari, Twelvers, Ismaili. Application in India. Most Indian Muslims follow the Hanafi school of Sunni law. Shia Muslims in India generally follow the Ithna Ash'ari, Twelvers, school. Main difference between Sunni and Shia schools of Muslim law. The main difference between the two schools lies in the sources of law and method of interpretation. Sunni law is based on the Quran, Hadith, Ijma, and Qiyas. It gives importance to Qiyas, analogy, for deciding new cases. Shia law is based on the Quran, Hadith, and Ijma, but it does not accept Qiyas. Instead, Shia law uses reason, Aql. The main difference between Sunni and Shia schools is that Sunni law accepts Qiyas, while Shia law relies on reason and does not accept Qiyas. Flexible or strict method of interpretation. Sunni school is considered more flexible because it accepts Qiyas, analogy. This allows judges to apply reasoning to new situations. Shia school is considered more strict because it does not accept Qiyas and relies mainly on Quran, Hadith, and reason, leading to stricter interpretation. Thus Sunni law is more flexible, while Shia law is more strict in interpretation. Conclusion. Muslim law applies to all persons who follow the religion of Islam, whether by birth or by conversion. It also applies to children born to Muslim parents or brought up as Muslims. Muslim law governs personal and family matters such as marriage, divorce, maintenance, and inheritance. In conclusion, personal laws in India are applied on the basis of religion. Hindu law applies to Hindus and persons legally treated as Hindus, including Buddhists, Jains, and Sikhs. Muslim law applies to all persons who follow Islam, either by birth or by conversion, including their children. Both Hindu law and Muslim law regulate family matters such as marriage, divorce, maintenance, and inheritance. Thus, the application of these laws depends mainly on religion, upbringing and legal recognition.